And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now, the current president of the Jamaica Wrestling Federation has rubbished a claim by the Jamaica Olympic Association that they are seeking to re-engage the services of former national coach Aurelio Valdez, who was fired last year when John Isaacs led the national body. This comes after the JOA, in a press release, responded to a TVJ Sports report aired last Friday, highlighting its interference in the team selection of the local wrestling federation at the Pan American Championship in Argentina.
In a press release, the Christopher Samuda-led organization has claimed that it intervened at the request of the former coach Aurelio Valdez. This after he wrote to them complaining of unfair treatment by the federation to his Cuban-based athlete, Lezian Cousin, and his unjustifiable non-selection for qualifiers for the 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games. The JOA said it is, quote, obliged to treat allegations of unfair treatment by athletes, coaches, or managers, particularly when the same relate to the Olympic Games and qualifiers, which are the JOA's business and which it is in the business of funding. However, John Isaacs, the former president of the Wrestling Federation, has dismissed that assertion of unfair treatment to the athlete as raised by the JOA.
No, we didn't. And I have the proof on that. We made an application for three persons, 2 athletes, one coach. We stated in a letter on March 2028, this was our team where Cousin's name is clearly stated, and Angus and Rick Henry. I don't know what else I can tell you. I mean, if we are asking for the gentleman to be a part of our team, and when we put in an application, you tell me you don't have the money to send everybody, and we then have to cut the team, and we make a decision. How are we not looking after the athletes' interest?
In the meantime, with the JOA stating that it understood that the new wrestling boss has reached out to Mr. Valdez regarding his re-engagement in the rebuilding of the sport, Mr. Osayemwise Osogbaro, who previously served as General Secretary, also rubbished that claim.
All I will say is that we will have never reached out to Mr. Valdez to re-engage with the Jamaica Wrestling Federation. That is what I have to say about that.
The JOA did not address the fact that it actually paid the airfare for the fired coach and cousin to go to Argentina for the Pan American Championships last year. Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.